Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use your phone while playing Valorant on PC. Whether you want to chat, check status or communicate with friends. Let's get started. First go to the phone's App Store, Google Play or Apple App Store, search for Riot Games or Valorant and install the app. The app lets you access your Valorant account, check stats or even chat with friends while away from your PC. Once the app is installed, open it and log in using the same Riot account you use for Valorant on your PC. This links your phone to your Valorant profile so you can access your stats and friends list instantly. Inside the app, you can check your match history, rank and stat. This is helpful if you want to review your performance without leaving the game on your PC. You can also use the app to chat with friends, open the friend list, select a friend and send message. This way you can coordinate or plan games while playing on your PC or even when you are away. Some advanced players use apps like Discord or second screen on their phone while playing Valorant. You can see guides, map or team callouts without minimizing your game on your PC. And that's it. Now you know how to use your phone with Valorant on PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.